Greetings, kiddos. This is a video to help you with some directions on your activity 2.4 in your new book about Don Quixote. And today we're going to be talking about the suffix NESS. And of course, the suffix means to have possession of a certain quality. So when we're looking at this, what we'll be doing is writing the correct word to complete each sentence. It may help to remember that words of the suffix NESS are usually nouns, while other choices without this suffix are adjectives. And adjectives, remember, are describing words. So when we look at the word bank here, it's always good to read through the words before you even start the assignment, just so that you can be familiar with that. So we have the word steady, greatness, drowsy, drowsiness, crispness, steadiness, crisp, bright. So what you will be doing is you'll be taking a look at each sentence and deciding which one of these goes in the blank. So you'll want to read the sentence, of course, and then take a look at it and cross off which words you think it might be after you've used it. So you might see this first one. It says, "The blank morning air helped me wake up even though it was very early and barely light outside." So if I'm looking at the words that are up there, I'm pretty sure it's not steady or greatness or steadiness or drowsy, because that means to be sleepy, even though that's mentioned in here. Probably not bright, but I do know that it's something to do with being crisp or crispness. So we would test out the word crisp. The crisp morning air helped me wake up even though it was very early and barely light outside. Or would you think the crispness morning air helped me wake up even though it was very early and barely light outside? So we definitely would want to use the word crisp for this answer. So you'll work through this. You can use your tools to see if one of them, if you're not sure about one of them, make sure you can look it up on the internet and see if that meaning makes sense to you. So you can do that as you're going, but you'll be filling in the words. Please make sure that you spell them correctly. They're right there for you. You should be able to do that. So you'll go through number 6 on this. And then the next page, you'll see write a sentence for each of the words not used from the box. So you'll have 2 words from that box up at the top of the other page that did not get used, and you'll use them here. Now, the next part is a little tricky, and it usually trips some people up. So be watching this. You're going to use the word friendly. That's our root word here. And then you're going to add the suffix NESS. Now, usually what happens when a word ends with Y, you're going to drop the I and add I and then your NESS. So the root word is friendly, and it means kind and helpful. So you'll write in the new word friendliness here. So what we'll need to put for the meaning of is to say that it is a word that means having the quality of being friendly or kind or helpful. And then you'll use it in a sentence. Her friendliness helped me feel better about a bad day, or something like that. Okay? Same thing happens here. The new word will not be wild anymore, but wildness. Right? And so what does the word wildness mean? You'll put that there, and then you'll write a sentence using it. You have to use the word wildness in your sentence, okay? So I'll let you figure out what that meaning is for the word. If you need to use your online dictionary, you may do so. All right, remember you need to write sentences that have capitalization at the very beginning of the sentence and punctuation at the end of it. So do your best handwriting so that I can read it. Make sure that you've covered all of the capitalization and punctuation. Check your spelling if you're not sure about spelling a word. You know that you may use your online dictionary for that as well. So please do that so that you don't make errors that cost you points. All right, I hope that helps you. If you get really stuck, I will help you when I get back. When you're done, you will tear out these pages and turn them into the tray. Thank you.